Hey guys, Rubber Tramp Renegade. Wanted to give you an update video. I know you guys are getting tired of these videos where I'm just in my garage talking, but I wanted to let you know what was going on. I did sell the Jeep. I gave $2,700 for that thing, and I put a headliner in it. Did a couple other little things, but I sold it last week for $2,700. So I'm out a little bit of money from the repairs that I did to it, but nothing major. So I got my money back on it, and now I'm looking for a van. So one interesting thing that I want to mention is I had to go to a neighboring town about 45 minutes away to get rid of that Jeep. I wanted to transfer it into the guy's name, just make sure it's out of my name. I'm not paying taxes on it any longer, because sometimes, if you sell, if you've bought and sold any vehicles, you sign the title over to somebody and they never get it transferred, and then you wind up paying taxes on a piece of, a piece of property you don't own. At least in Kentucky, that's the way it is. So went ahead and went 45 minutes away to sign the title over to this person. And when I walked into the courthouse there, one of my subscribers was there, and I wasn't expecting to see him there, and I don't think he was expecting to see me. So if you watch him, you might know who I'm talking about, but if not, check out a guy named Nomadic Drifter. He's on YouTube. He has a van, and he makes some videos. He's in my area right now working. I think he did the sugar beet harvest this 2018. So he's got some cool videos up. It was nice meeting you, Nomadic Drifter. Wasn't expecting to see you there, but I'm glad we got to meet in person. So anyways, if you haven't seen his videos, check him out. He's on YouTube, and he's got some pretty good information on van life. If that's why you're at my channel looking at ideas for van life, he's got a lot of good information about living in a van. But anyways, I'm still searching for a van. I've narrowed it down to two different vans, and they're both a little bit of distance away. One's about 3 hours away. One's about an hour and a half away. Probably going to go Tuesday and look at the one a few hours from here. I don't want to tell you too much about the van just in case I don't get it, but it is a newer van than what I had. It is a Ford. It's an E350. It's on a 1-ton chassis, 1-ton frame there, but I'm excited to see that van. It's got a couple little things that you don't find every day, so we'll see how that goes. So Tuesday, hopefully I can get down there and look at that, and it sounds like it's going to be a good van. There's a lot of unknowns with this van that I might have to take a chance on, but we'll see what it is when I get there. So wanted to give you guys an update so you're not thinking I fell off the face of the earth again. But thanks for tuning in. Hopefully I'll have a van soon, and I'll be able to start building things out and enjoy this summer in it. So thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one.